What is it now? God dang it! I forgot to do it again! You know what?
Weather bulletin.
Hold on.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, and Lawrence.
Okay.
The National
I want to
Weather
listen to
Service
this because
Pittsburgh
I'm
issued a
putting this
severe
radio
thunderstorm
on.
warning for eastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Beaver County.
I'm
in
putting
western
this on
Pennsylvania,
voice right now.
Manatee County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central
There we go.
Pennsylvania, western Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Cigar Creek to Mars, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: law enforcement. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Butler, Oil City, Grove City, Franklin, Katanning, Knox, Reimersburg, Homaker, Lindora, Cigar Creek, Shanner, Northview, Meridian, Zelienople. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 86 and 109. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 22 and 58. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.